How to delete all friends on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So if I open up my Snapchat account and go to your profile on the top left, and if I scroll down to this my friends, these are all my friends. Let's say you want to delete all of them at once, but there is no option in the friend list to delete all of them at once. All you can do is to simply click on that friend and click on this manage friendship, and from here you can remove your friend. So there is no option to remove all of them at once. So what you have to do is to simply go to your settings and go for this I need help in this support section. Once you have entered here, go for this friends, and let's see if we can remove it all at once. And these are all the options to remove or add your friends. So there is no option to remove friends on Snapchat at once. So what you have to do is to simply search for this delete my account and go for the delete my account article. Once you are here, you have to scroll down to this account portal, and this will take you to enter your username and password to delete your account. So this is the only way you can delete all your friends. When you delete your account, your friends will also get deleted with that account. So after that, you can now make a new account and simply add your friends with your own choice. So that's how basically you can delete all friends on Snapchat.